Not a fan of pigeons but love watching birds in action? Check out the barn swallow. These little flyers are bound to impress you. Barn swallows are more than just pretty birds. With their sleek blue feathers and long forked tails, they're instantly recognizable. But it's their flight that steals the show. These birds zip through the air, turning on a sixpence, catching insects in mid-flight. They can even drink while flying. Imagine sipping your tea on a roller coaster. But their real claim to fame? Migration. Every year, barn swallows travel up to 10,000 kilometers, journeying from Europe all the way to Africa and back again. They brave storms, predators, and exhaustion, just to return to the same barn where they were born. That's a round trip worthy of applause. So next time you spot a barn swallow twisting through the sky, remember, you're watching one of nature's most impressive travelers. Give them a cheer, they've earned it.